Hi, Kiana Scott. It's me, Big Bird from Sesame Street. I'm very excited to meet you for the very first time. Hi, I heard that you are a huge fan of Sesame Street. Oh, thank you so much. That's very nice of you. And I knew that you grew up with our friend Elmo. I think Elmo might like you too. And so does our friends Cookie Monster and Zoe and Bert and Ernie. They might like you too. Anyways, I just wanted to say, first of all, thank you so much for being such a big Sesame Street fan. I really love you very much as my very best friend. Well, I'll see you soon.